I'm here on a very cold day at the Meadoway, the TRCA's biggest active restoration site and one that's been worked on for years. And while it doesn't look like anything is really happening right now, this landscape is busily at work on one of the most important parts of the entire process, and it's happening right underneath my feet. But first, we should probably talk about what the Meadoway actually is, and there's a slight difficulty there, which is I don't actually work in it. So here's somebody who does. This is Sarah, one of the Meadoway project managers. So what's the whole deal with the Meadoway?
So the Meadoway is a 16-kilometer stretch of hydro corridor in Scarborough that we're restoring into meadow habitat. Because there's not a lot of meadow in the GTA. And with this interconnected space of meadow, we're providing really great habitat for things like birds and butterflies and other pollinators.
A lot of the TRCA's restoration work is manual planting, where we grow stems and then just jam them in the soil. Was any of that happening here?
No, all of this was seeded. Between 300 and 400 kilograms of seed to seed this entire 16-kilometer stretch.
So back to that mysterious process I mentioned, most seeds at this latitude need to undergo something called cold stratification. I don't remember the biochemical mechanism of that. It's something to do with hormones inside the seed, and those are influenced by cold or something, but point is, they need to experience a full winter, and sometimes multiple winters, before they'll even start to grow. And you know what all those seeds are in the meantime? A really great food source. So there's a whole facet of the ecosystem going on right underneath the snow here. Tunneling mammals and things will be going under there, like mice and moles and all that. I've been seeing mouse tracks all over the place here. And those will be nibbling on the seeds. Those mice and things will be providing food for the several red-tailed hawks I've seen flying around in the meantime. All the other seeds that are still on the plants themselves will be providing food for the many birds I've seen around. In fact, I've seen more bird activity here than at any of the guided nature walks I've done earlier this winter. So while the stated goal is to provide interconnected meadow habitat for insects, pollinators, and stuff like that, it ends up having all kinds of knock-on effects and supporting all kinds of other things. Which is especially important this winter because, given the amount of snow that we've had, food's been somewhat hard to come by. So hats off to Sarah and her team for a job well done.
Come back in summer and see us when everything's in bloom. Seeding.